More than 60% of all information technology products and services are sold, delivered and supported through a channel of independent business partners. Using a channel of independent companies to find, develop, activate, win, make, keep and grow happy customers on our behalf has a long tradition in the information technology industry. For some companies, the indirect channel has been a major contributor to global success. But for most companies, making it work actually remains a constant struggle. My 2-day workshop on building successful partner channels is for business development, marketing, sales and other revenue generation professionals in the information technology industry that work with attracting, recruiting and managing independent business partners. Some have asked me what the difference is between this workshop and my recent best-selling book with the same name. Well, attending a workshop is a completely different learning format than reading a book. In the workshop, we work with the principles and we discuss how you can apply them in real-life scenarios. You will have the opportunity to discuss your challenges with me and with your industry peers that may also have ideas and experience that we can all learn from. Do you need more information to decide if you should attend? Then visit our website where you can download the full syllabus and read what others have to say about the workshop. I'm looking forward to seeing you and working with you and your teammates on my next Building Successful Partner Channels workshop.